What's up, everybody? So, I don't normally do a lot of reviews, but I had to review these Samsung Galaxy Live earbuds, and I've had these for a while, and they sound fantastic now. They sound just as good now as they did when I first got them. But a little story: I accidentally washed them yesterday, and I was like, well, surely they are done for. The battery was dead, but I charged the battery, came home from work today, and found out that they still work. So yes, they went through a cycle of wash, and they were in the dryer for a little bit, and they still work. These things are awesome. They sound fantastic. They're noise canceling. They can charge wirelessly in the case here, or you can plug it in with a C charger right here. But just can't recommend these things enough. Fantastic and super durable. Definitely got to get these.